What's up, people, and how's it going? And today we are here for a COD gameplay, and with me is my friend Aman, aka LOL King.
Hi guys.
And so today we are going to play Battle Royale, and we are in the lobby. Let's just skip this part for you. So, people, we are in the match, and we are going to play. Where do you want to jump? Crash, launch
We
base.
should go crash. Yeah, I think we should go crash.
So, let's jump.
Jump now. Yep, I'm gonna follow you.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm here, so I have to go then. I can't see you.
Yeah, but I am near you. Don't worry about me.
Yeah. Okay, so want to land on this tower type of thing? This tower. I'm landing on it. Oh no, little behind. And I did not land on the tower. But yeah, I'm going inside to find some stuff, and I got a gun.
Yeah, let's find something outside.
I don't think you'll find something outside. Will you?
Yeah. No, I will not. You find whatever you want, then I'll just take the scrap.
Okay, I got
You have
this
a
gun. Yeah, I have 2 guns.
I have 0 guns.
That happened with me in the last match.
I think I have to go down over there.
Which class have you chose?
I am defender.
I've chose clowns. It's like so classy. It literally summons zombies. I just love it. Okay, how did you do that? Okay, I got it. How can you do that? Okay, I know there's lots of stuff in COD which I have not tried yet. One day I saw a guy, so like he killed me so we can see his cam, right?
Yeah.
So what he was doing is that he like grabbed hold of something and he just like that thing went into the air, and after that he started gliding. I still don't know what that is. I could never find that. Do you know what that is? Because you are like on a very big level. What's your level? 50, right?
I'm at 44, I guess.
Cool. I'm hardly on 16. I don't play this game from so long. I like literally just started.
Yeah, I used to play this game a lot, but then I stopped. Okay.
So people, sorry for the interference there, and we are going to just start again. And okay, let's go. So where are you? Yes, you are here. I'm going to take some medic.
There's a gun inside.
No, I have like okay gun, but still I'll take this gun because it has more bullets and it's kind of better. So
There's a bike over here.
okay, I really want to. Where is it? I'll try it. I really want to ride up. I've literally ride no vehicle. I've literally like rid no vehicle since I've started.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a person over here. There's a person over here.
Okay. I need
Somewhere over here.
how to get out of this bike. Okay, not like this. Okay. Where is he? Where is he?
I think he's over there. He's over here. He's over here.
Oh no, I'm dying. I'm just going to run from here for now.
I almost killed him. Where are you?
Where is he?
Come here.
I'm dying, so I'm going to release my clowns. I mean, my zombies.
He's dead. He's dead.
He's dead? Thank God, I was about to.
You can take some guns if you want. There's one more guy over here.
Wait, I need to like
No.
heal myself right now because I'm not
You
such
just heal yourself. I'll give you like just
cover. Provide cover. I need the
I'll
other.
find the other person. He's somewhere over here from you. There's a clown over here.
Okay, wait. I'll release my zombies and you follow them. As
Then we'll follow.
if he's close, then they will go. But if he's not so close, then I don't know. So sorry about that. Just having a sore throat. So where did you?
He's over here. I found him.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm
Behind
coming.
this door.
Where are you? Where are you?
Okay, I killed him.
Okay, good.
He's dead.
You're a pro in this game.
You want some health, you can take from the hill.
Yeah, I need it. I really need it. Nobody has the
best
health
match I've played.
health bags or something. They all just have space.
Wait, I have. You want some?
Yeah,
I'll give you.
yeah, I really need that. Well, my health is full right now, but I don't have any.
Drop. You got it?
Yeah. First aid kit. Yeah, thanks. So let's.
So
I'm driving the
we are
bike.
in the ring, by the way.
We are? Yeah.
I'm behind you.
Oh, you can sit behind me. Hopefully, I'm a good driver. Okay, I suck at this.
Okay, I'll drive.
No, it's okay. I'll send. Okay, where should we go?
You will drive? Okay. We should go in dinner diner, whatever that place is in the map.
Okay, Okay, so should we take a turn? But how can we go up the hill? Can we? We can't.
We cannot. Okay, let's go.
No, we can't go to that place. We have to first go ahead a bit and then probably we can take a turn.
Yeah. The factory is also good, like this thing in front of us, launch base.
So should we go there?
I don't know, your wish.
Let's go then. I'll take the jump. Okay, I thought that was a jump, but not a jump. Okay.
Now we should leave the bike. We should abandon the bike now.
No, my bike.
Oh,
Okay. Oh, that was actually quite cool. That's really a good way to abandon the bike. That was good. That was really
okay,
good.
this place has not been looted.
Oh, let's loot it then. Well, though I have a good gun, but yeah, whatever. Oh, is that a clown? Wait, can we buy
What is this? I don't
Yeah, wait.
understand what is this.
I'm going ahead to see. Use Parker.
Use the spark. Oh.
What was that? What
You
is
can
this
take
thing?
all of that. I don't need anything. See, there are shorter. No, it's just boring stuff. We should ignore that.
But what is this thing? Use Parker. Not enough
I
Sparker.
don't know. I picked up a spark thing before, and
Yeah.
now I used it, and this all stuff came out.
Oh, I thought I did the use Parker stuff. Whatever.
But we got the stuff. That's the main thing.
Yes, so
I
I'm
think we
looting.
have to go to diner because the circle is over there.
Oh yeah, I think we need to go.
Where are you? I'm coming to you.
I'm-
Yeah, I see you.
I'm going. Okay. So what's
Oh,
this?
there's a guy over here. There's a guy over here.
Okay, I'm coming.
I killed him.
Okay, then not coming.
Over here. Where are you?
Where are you? We need to go this way.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Over here.
I haven't killed
You can
anybody.
take all of this. Come here. This stuff is over here. His stuff.
Well, I also don't need anything anymore.
Same. My health is a little low.
Where are you?
Heal myself.
Okay, there's somebody here.
I heard shots. Somebody is shooting us.
Let me kill that guy.
You release your zombies. I'm going
Yeah.
to kill him.
I'm gonna kill this guy. Wait.
You see him? Kill him.
That was too easy. Zombies, would you like to kill someone else? Okay. Just do your stuff. I killed him. See? Yeah. That was so easy. Well, it was just one kill. Okay, somebody else is there. No, I can kill, but yeah, then you are so good. You're so better than me that you kill everybody before me. It's not that I can't kill, it's just the timing. That you can kill faster.
That's the point. I just reached before.
You know my highest kills in this battle royale is 12 or 13.
That's my top 12.
Really? My top is 13. Seriously?
There's a helicopter, but
It's very easy according to me. Battle royale.
Yeah.
In this match, I'm not able to Yeah, it's like Fortnite. But in this match, I'm not able to kill so much as you are a pro, so you always kill before me. That's the reason. I need
I'm
some
going up.
bullets or something.
Yes.
I either need a new gun or I need some bullets cause my gun is low on
You
bullets.
need ammo? Which ammo? Tell me.
Wait, let me see. Which ammo is this? I don't know which ammo is this. Oh wait, there's somebody there. I'm gonna kill that guy.
Somebody shooting.
Yeah, I know.
Somewhere over.
Let my zombies
Threw a
go.
bomb. I threw a bomb there. Don't go there, I'll throw a bomb.
No, I'm not going.
Left.
He's not even there. He's here, I think so.
Oh.
My zombies is taking care of him. Whoa, I killed him. Or probably my zombies killed him.
Yeah.
I killed him or my zombies killed him. I have no idea.
There is a vehicle over here. Like, I heard of it. Somebody stole our bike.
Well, it's okay. We were not using it at that time.
Yeah,
We weren't.
actually in the circle.
We are actually going a little outside of the circle.
Yeah, we should go a little in.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Let's just sit here and wait for somebody.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Stand actually.
Strategy, I should say.
Yes, strategy. So we are waiting for someone. This match goes on for so long that we don't even have to play a second match to finish our video. One match, that's it.
Yeah.
If I do
It's
two
way
matches,
easier than Fortnite.
yeah. I love Fortnite, but Fortnite is quite difficult for me.
Yeah, because
No, there was a time.
from season 1.
Yeah,
Very good.
there was a time when I used to play good. I used to get my max was 10 kills one day. That's when I went pro mode. What's your max kills again?
In Fortnite,
Yeah.
it was 18 because in the starting I used to play it was 18. So
Cool.
now I barely get 5.
Yeah, it's happening the same with me. One time when Fortnite was became so famous, right? Oh wait, there's someone there. Go zombies, eat him. Zombies eat him. Okay, I killed him.
You killed him. Nice.
Oh, there's somebody else.
There's another person coming.
But I don't have any bullets, so I'm gonna
I killed him.
wait. Yeah, you killed him. Yeah, I'm gonna take some stuff from him.
Yeah.
But I still did not get any bullets, so I'm gonna change my gun. Okay, I changed the wrong gun.
Let's go in the circle. We are out of the circle.
Yeah, I know. I need to run.
Let's go.
Wait, let me take some stuff. I need some of this.
Wait.
Let's go inside the circle.
You follow me.
Let's stay here.
Let's go to yeah, okay, we'll stay here only.
Where are you? I can't even see you.
Right here. This is an amazing match. We have
Yes.
to win this.
I think we'll win this. There are only 14 people left. I don't know how many
Let's go then.
teams are left, but I think 14 people are left. Okay. This is actually difficult, but you just have to continuously keep jumping.
Oh, that's the strat.
Yeah. I also literally got to know this yesterday only. Cause I won my first game 2 days ago. So, cause I just started people. So, when I did that, right? So,
There's a guy.
where are you? Wait, I'm coming. Sorry for the interference, people. Little too many interferences. I clearly pronounced that wrong, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so where are you?
I see him.
Oh, you see him? I'm gonna kill him. Okay, let me kill him.
Yeah, you can kill him.
I was killed.
Oh, he killed you.
Wait, help me.
He killed me. Oh.
What? This is unbelievable. This
He
is
sniped us both.
unbelievable.
Yeah.
But still, we came 9 last. That's actually a good number. 9 is really good. That's a good match, I got to
See the
say.
kills.
Okay, I have 2, you have 6. I have less.
I have
6.
not bad.
For me, it's bad because I do like at least 8 kills in a match, but you are there. The pro is there. Can't help it. So people, that's it for today, and if you want to see more COD content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel Live Life King Size.